What's up guys, it's Larry here with Midnight Chaos, installing a few pieces for the IS300 today. So we got from Japan some Altezza rain guards or wind deflectors, whatever you want to call them. I got some new trim pieces for the doors, and then I got some side mirrors that I took apart and restored. So yeah man, stay tuned, I'm going to be installing that today. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, so here's a better shot of the mirrors that I restored. I basically picked up a spare set off of eBay, took them apart completely, depinned them so I could pull the wires through, and I repainted this base piece here with Sim trim paint, and then the mirror caps I painted with like a paint match spray can and some 2K clear. I think they turned out pretty good. It's a pretty good match on the car as well. As you can see, my old mirrors here are pretty beat up on both sides. Got a bunch of rock chips and stuff, so I think these will look much better. Also gonna be replacing this window trim today, because I'm not sure why that looks like that, but I mean, it's a 20-something-year-old car, so I think the first thing I'm gonna do is try to get these on. I gotta remove the door panels. So yeah, I've already tried fucking with this a little bit, but from my understanding, there's a screw here, and then there's some stuff under here maybe that I need to take apart, and then it should lift out. So I'm gonna set this camera down and see if I can get this off. Okay guys, so I got this door piece out. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of a pain in the ass, so I'm gonna try to film the other side a little bit better so you guys can at least get an idea. But essentially, you take the screws out from those locations I showed you, and then you want to get you like one of these and go around the perimeter of the door and kind of pop it. There's little holes where it pops in, but yeah, so let me do the other side real quick. Okay, hopefully you guys can see, but basically there's these 3 bolts here that hold the mirror. Then let me see here. This is the wire for the mirror. Let me go ahead and disconnect. Honestly guys, that's the worst part about this type of shit, is getting these old ass connectors unhooked. Let me see. Okay, actually that wasn't that. Okay, y'all, while I'm over here, I'm gonna take this screw here, and then that should release the trim piece here. Let me go ahead and try that. Okay, that was kind of a pain. But we got this side off. Basically, once you unscrew it, you want to push it forward and pull up on it, starting from the corner, but it is kind of a pain. As you can see, I bent this one. So let me go grab the other one, see if I can throw it on. Okay, this is the passenger side. Yeah, that was a lot harder to take out than put in. Okay. Okay, y'all. God damn, I got this side back reassembled. I didn't film much because it was kind of a pain, but yeah, the door card, it's kind of a pain in the ass. But anyway, I got it all buttoned up. I got the outer trim on here, as well as the new mirrors. But yeah, man, as far as these door cards, I would say when y'all putting them on, they got a hook kind of from the top first, and then they snap in, and then you can push all the pins around, and then I would put that screw in first, everything else. Once you get this top piece, that's the hardest part. Everything else should fall into place. All right, y'all, got everything switched out. I got the side mirrors installed along with the new door trim. It took a lot longer than expected. Let me show you guys how it's looking here. So yeah, we got the new mirrors on and door trim replaced on both sides. Do a quick walk around here. Got the new door trim and the mirrors I refinished, so.
A few moments later.
Okay, so took a break here and then I realized maybe I should go ahead and do this because I don't have too much time left with daylight savings and everything, but got a set of OEM window visors here. I actually ended up ordering these from Japan. This is the part number. They come with tape already on and some clips, which I hear these are a pain, so we're gonna see. Hopefully I can actually get these on today by myself. It shouldn't be too bad because as you can see, we got the instructions here, so we just need to go ahead and read this Japanese. So yeah, let's see here if we can get these on. Okay, so right now I just got these propped on here, so let me reverse a little bit. First thing you want to do is pull down this window liner thing from up under here. Not the door liner, but the actual window liner itself. You want to pull that down. This rain guard set comes with these little clips, and then basically they're gonna sit on the inside of this lip like that, and they snap in there. So you can see this one's already snapped in, and so is that one, and they're basically lined up to where the clips are on the rain guard. I'm guessing it's just there, like, I don't know, preventative, but it doesn't actually snap into the rain guard itself, which is a bit odd. So honestly, I mean, if it was I guess I would almost even recommend you could probably bypass those clips because they don't really, it doesn't like hold it on there more securely. The only thing I can say, maybe like if they were gonna fly off, it might prevent that, maybe. But then you kind of gotta run them a little bit lower for it to even grab. And it's hard to see really, but I don't know, that's as best as I can explain it. This is the inside of the rain guard. Where are we at? Right here. So again, it's a bit weird. It doesn't seem to snap into the rain guard itself, but it does snap into the door. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and prep this, try to get this installed. Prep with alcohol. 91% alcohol at that. And 3M. So I've had shit like this come off before, so put a little bit of adhesion promoter. And really what you want to do, see these little tabs, you want to get these going. See, this is the part that sucks about 3M tape. Okay. Well, gonna show you guys. You basically want to peel the corners here. I might have to go grab some tweezers though, because I don't got nails. Okay, so basically you got the tab sticking out here and there. Gonna line it up with these clips that are already on. Now I'm gonna mount it a little bit lower just so the clips serve some sort of purpose. Okay, so once you got the corners mounted, you can go ahead and pull your tape. Okay, got that one on. I'm gonna try to get this window thing back in there. Oh. Get the window up. Oh. Okay, so got the clips on in the back. Weirdly enough, I mean, it seems like the clips actually seem to be a bit more functional, so I don't know why that would be. They're all the same. Kind of odd. And just to let y'all know, I'm running these maybe about a couple millimeters lower than the actual lip of the window. And that's just so the clips line up. You can kind of see it here, but this clip is actually, that's how fucking the front should look. For whatever reason, the front doesn't quite sit on there perfectly, but I don't really think it's going nowhere with the 3M and then also the adhesion promoter. Okay, you got one side down. Gonna go ahead, get the other side on. All right, man, got the passenger side on. Again, the clips, for whatever reason, they just make more sense in the back. I'm not sure if the door metal is a little bit different, but in the front, they don't even they really serve no purpose and you can't see them for real. Anyhow, I would focus on good prep and adhesion because I don't really know if these clips would do anything. I mean, this one is just not even, you can see it's just not even doing anything. I mean, so hopefully there shouldn't be any issues with the 3M tape. I think it turned out pretty well for what they are. So yeah, got that. And then also today we got the new rubber trim on the doors, new side mirrors. So yeah, man, I know it probably doesn't seem like much, but little small projects. I'm about tired though. That's all I got for today. Catch you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe. And yeah, follow us on Instagram. We'll be posting more videos. Me and Frank are talking about doing a drift build here soon, so stay tuned for that. I got more updates coming on the FRS. So yeah, man, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe. Subscribe.